So today I'd like to welcome to our Take 5 program, Kevin Jones with I-40 Structural Drying Academy. Hi, Kevin.
Hey, Jeff. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Looking
Kevin
forward
and
to it.
Kevin and I cross paths in the occasional airport here and there, and today it's on our episode. So good to have you. We're just going to talk for 5 minutes about something. A video that I saw you put on Facebook recently, where you talked about a possible recession may mean more insurance claims will be denied. That's interesting. Tell us about that.
Well, I mean, obviously, like I said, I'm no economist or anything, but I am hearing people talk about it, and people who do know and saying there's a possibility that could happen. And it just made me think, with the amount of claims that go through delays and denials and stuff, that if a recession comes, that could increase even more, because it would actually, affect an insurance company, a TPA, whoever, could affect their bottom line. So it just made me think, man, if we go into a recession, people are going to see more denials. Just my opinion.
No, it's a interesting perspective, because when money's tight, right? And it could affect large corporations as well. Talk to us about the types of claims that are usually denied. Are there a specific kind of claim that catches the attention of those who might turn down a claim?
Well, I think it can depend on a couple of things. I've seen some that have been denied, honestly, because I don't think their vendor did the best job in some of my consults I've done. And then you hear a lot about it on some of the Facebook forums and stuff, where people talk about things being denied that they've done to dry out a house. And it may not be the claim totally denied, but certain parts, we didn't approve that, so we're not going to pay for that. And talking about a recession, I start thinking about, with hurricane season starting yesterday, and they're predicting some decent storms this year, that it's just going to add up to more. I mean, I've run into here in the Tennessee area tornadoes, where they're maybe listed as a category 3, and then a company denies it because they want to do a category 2 or something like that. So they don't want to tear out everything, things like that. So
okay,
those things added together just kind of popped into my head.
I guess we'll see. We'll see.
A lot of people.
We'll see as time goes on.
I hope I'm wrong.
I think everyone hopes you're wrong too, Kevin, but you've never been wrong before.
Oh, never, ever. No, ever. Just ask anybody, they'll tell you.
I'll talk to your wife later. So your message about this topic we're covering today was really towards consumers, the insured, the ones who would hire restoration contractors. Yeah. What can contractors do to help this potential issue of claims being denied? Talk to them for a second.
I think it really comes down to kind of educating yourself on what happens and why that happens. A lot of people don't know about the McKinsey report that happened in the 90s, where a certain insurance company was looking for a way to make more profit, and they hired this consulting company that came in and said, oh, well, you've got to turn your payout center, your claim center, into a profit center. And so to start really delaying or denying more claims. I really think it's vital. I understand vendor programs. A vendor may not want to do this, but for restorers that are not on vendor programs, taking a few minutes to talk to your client about the restorer, insured, and insurer relationship, and how they can work together to make sure they get the maximum amount for their claim. And if there's an issue, who can you call? You call a public adjuster, an attorney, whoever it is that may be able to help you in case that happens. I think as restorers, we've really got to educate the public about that.
Yeah. Well, good tips. Yeah, good tips, Kevin. We appreciate it. And we'll see you at the airport.
St. Louis is usually where we run into each other. So.
All right,
All right, man.
Have a good one.
Thanks.